There's a lot of tips you could give a first-time home buyer, but I'm going to limit it to 7. My first tip would be check the selling prices of the comps that you have in your target area. All right, use websites like Zillow or homevalues.com to give you a general idea what you should expect to pay. My second tip would be know what you can afford. Get pre-qualified or pre-approved before you go find a home. This is important because then you will not be wasting time looking at houses that you might not be able to afford. My third tip is find out your total monthly housing costs and what they would be potentially in this new home. Taxes vary widely depending on neighborhoods, cities, townships. So know what the taxes are, know what the possible homeowner's insurance would be, if the house has HOA dues, and a good tip would be to ask for electric or gas bills before you purchase to know what you're in for there as well. My fourth tip would be know your closing costs. When you go get pre-approved, the lender should be able to give you a good idea of what your closing costs may be on a home. Knowledge of knowing what your closing costs could be could help you when you start negotiating the price of your home. My fifth tip would be remember 28%. If your mortgage, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance is greater than 28% of your gross income, you risk the run of being house poor. I highly recommend not going past 30%. My sixth tip would be find a reputable real estate agent, one that you trust, and also one that has knowledge of the location and market. My seventh and final tip would be remember the big picture. There's lots of houses out there. Don't get wrapped up in a house or in a bidding war. There's another one that will come along that you might like even more. Houses are a great way to build wealth. Also, when you're going through the process of purchasing the home, make sure to get an inspection and to read the inspection report thoroughly. The upkeep that could be there on a new roof, new appliances, or possible plumbing issues could drain your account.
For more information on Central Ohio's community bank since 1911, visit us online at heartlandbank.com. Heartland Bank, where banking feels good.